What's up everyone, welcome to my first ever Gorilla Tag Custom Apps video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add grabbables to your Gorilla Tag Custom Apps. I give credits to people who upload on here. Anyone who uploads on here, I'll be making a tutorial of everything if I feel like it, because sometimes I don't feel like it. Basically, some people say to make it a tutorial on YouTube, you see? So I want to make this a YouTube tutorial. So I will be making a lot of these stuff a tutorial, so people like you can learn how to make these type of stuff without having to go through all these tags and having to script it yourself. So the first thing you want to do is put your model on the scene. As you can see, my model is very big, so I'm going to scale it down. I'm going to scale it down, maybe like that. That's good. I'm going to rotate it. You don't really got to rotate it, but if you want to, you can. So there, as you can see, I got the flashlight. Okay, so now, go to like anywhere on this, like you could go into assets. You could go into map prefabs. You could go into Gorilla Tag assets. But in my case, I'm going into custom. You don't have to do this. You don't have this folder. So you can just do what I'm about to do anywhere. So after that, positioning it and doing all that, like scaling, what you want to do is, you see the flashlight here or your object that you want to grab. Hold your left click and drag it on here. As you see, you'll make this. After it creates the prefab, you have to left click on it, right click on the prefab, go up into create, go down into scene, and prefab variant. When you click onto it, it should make this. You see this model? Delete it. Okay, delete it from your scene completely. Okay, after you delete it, you want to double click on this or any of the two. It doesn't matter, any of the two works. Add a component and add mesh collider, and then enable convex, and do the same with the other one. Okay, after you do that, you want to drag in both. You want to drag in this, and then you want to drag in this. Okay, so you can name one of them, any of them, doesn't matter which one it is. You can name it after like flashlight, like this. Holdable position, like this. And with the other one, you can just do holdable. After you do that, you want to, I already did this, but you'll have to do it probably. But you want to right click on your hierarchy, create an empty, call it spawn manager or whatever you want to call it, it doesn't really matter. Go in here and search up map spawn, and you'll find this called map spawn manager. Click on it. But after you do that, your flashlight holdable position or your item holdable position, you want to drag it into your spawn manager, and this, keep it where it was, don't move it. Okay, now what you want to do is click on the prefab again, scroll down on here where it says material, click on it and click default. If you don't have these, it means you didn't import the scene or everything perfectly, or you just have an older version of the custom app example. After you did that and put the material to default, you want to do it to the other prefab, so you click on the other one, material, and then default. They should both be on default. Now, what you want to do is on the flashlight holdable position, add a component and search up grabbable entity, and you should find this. You should see all of this. So what you have to do is check its template and set the entity type ID to 1. If you already made a grabbable item, like for example I made this almond water, it's 1. But you don't have to do this if it's your first item. But I'll be have to changing it to 2 because I have 2 items. Okay, after you do this, you can assign sounds for like grabbing, but I'll be showing you that in another video. Okay, now you click on flashlight holdable or your item holdable, go down, add component, grabbable entity again, but this time don't check its template and put the entity type ID to 1. But I'll be putting it to 2 because I have 2 items, but you don't have to. After you do that, what I do, you don't have to do this, but I do this. I put them both together like this. You don't have to do this, this is optional. I put them both together like this, I merge them, and then I move them both around. Now you can move it wherever you want, like anywhere like this. I'm gonna put mine on spawn. Okay, after you did that, you can already export your map and test it. If you don't know how to do that, go up here into Tools, Export Maps, and scroll all the way down. Oh, actually first, go up here, add Open Scene, check mark the initial scene, scroll all the way down, Export Map, and in here, you can name it whatever. You should go in Exports, click on Save, and continue, and it's gonna start building. Because Gorilla Tag isn't like fan games, Gorilla Tag does this so players don't have to do and deal with photon stuff. And yes, it is server-sided. Why? It's because I tested it with my friend, it works, and Gorilla Tag does it so it's easier for players. They don't have to mess with photon stuff and weird stuff that they probably can't do because it's Unity and custom maps. And if you want more video tutorials about custom maps, I could even show you how to make toggles, make cosmetics, like custom cosmetics, make your own shop, ATM, and I could even show you like coding, scripting, game modes, like a lot of cool stuff like that. But the only thing you gotta do just to watch all that, it's a simple thing, it helps me a lot, it might not be much, but just subscribe, leave a like, at least just leave a comment. I hope this was helpful, and bye bye, see you next time, bye!